Welcome to this Unity guide on installing Unity applications for Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will be covering how to download and install the zip folders for Unity Agent, Unity Supervisor, and Unity Desktop. To begin, access your internet browser. Navigate to your search bar and download the required zip folders from the following URLs. Simply typing the link to the required software into the address bar will automatically download the zip folder into your device's Downloads folder. From here, the next step is to access your Microsoft Teams application. To upload a new application, start by clicking on the Apps tab on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the Applications section. From here, click on the Manage Your Apps tab at the bottom of the screen to open the Application Management panel. Next, navigate to the Upload an App button at the top of the screen and click to be prompted with two options that include Upload a custom app, which allows the user to install Unity for personal use on their individual account, and Submit an app to your org that will enable Unity applications to be displayed in the Built for your org section of Microsoft Teams. To submit an app for your organization, click on the option to be taken to your Downloads folder and select the corresponding Unity zip folder from your downloads. In this video, we will be choosing Unity Desktop as an example, but this can be applied to each of the Unity application zip folders. After clicking your chosen download, the application will be sent for approval by your organization's IT administration. You can view the status of your pending request here. For individual installation, click on the first option to upload a custom app and select the corresponding Unity zip folder from your downloads. In this video, we will be choosing Unity Agent as an example. However, following the same steps with any of the Unity application zip files will install them for use. To continue, simply click on the entire zip folder to begin uploading Unity. After reviewing the overview, click on the Add button. Once added, you will be prompted to enter your Unity credentials, which after completing, will log you straight into Unity Agent within Microsoft Teams. To ensure that notifications are activated, navigate to the shield icon at the top right of the screen. Clicking this will allow users to activate or deactivate their notifications. After following these steps, installation of Unity applications for Microsoft Teams is complete. You are now free to take advantage of the benefits of the Unity web apps through the familiar interface of Microsoft Teams.